Hi, this is Susan. I wanted to show you some fall things I've made that I'm getting out and fluffing up. And this is one of them. And this one's unusual. It's really large. It's the biggest grapevine wreath. And I have it here in the hall, and I actually don't have the room to actually move back. It's so big. And I did the spray down here and then just sprigs out here. And some of this, I found an entire wreath of leaves. So that just made 3 different people's wreaths. So I really recommend going to the thrift stores during the year and looking for things. Now these are really neat feathers that I got at Dollar Tree. You see I put them in. And then they had these burlap leaves, and so that's a nice touch because of the burlap that's up in here. And this was a Michael's piece, and then these were Hobby Lobby, and then the black and white, you'll see in a minute how that matches. And so of course we have some sunflower, and I did some little curls here with the Dollar Tree wire. And so right in the middle is this guy that I found at a thrift store. He sits right here and fills up the middle. And so that's where the burlap comes in, because he's got on overalls. And so his hat's burlap, and so that, you know, that you love texture. That's the wonderful thing about fall, is all the color, but especially texture. And then of course this guy. And so he just fits there like it's like jumping into a big pile of leaves that's been raked up. He's just large and in charge and having so much fun in the middle of all this floral. So let's look at what this goes with. Isn't he cute? Isn't his face adorable? Someone did a good job on his paint. Okay, so down here is my favorite topiary. I love to make topiaries, and you might notice these were at Dollar Tree. And if you wondered, what to do with them, this is what you do. And you can use just 1 or 2 of these flowers of all different sizes. And then here's that wire that they have in the craft section. And this was a thrifted candle. It's metal. It was just a candle base that I got from, I think it was Salvation Army. So you can put this on a table because, if you decorate it from all sides, kind of zigzag around. And then I used really small pieces of ribbon to be petite at the top. But I didn't have one for the bottom that was big enough, so I got the plain orangey styrofoam thing from Dollar Tree, and I took a man's shirt and then made one. You just, come up and then gather it and just glue it down, or you can take a running stitch and then gather it that way. So I have it so that it can sit and be seen at all directions, even the back side. But that's how you can tie in the black and white. Okay, this is another of my favorites. I think it's funny. These were these turkeys that were at Hobby Lobby, and they were like place settings. And I thought it was so cute. It just needed a topiary. So because, the Chick-fil-A ads, I decided to eat more tofu so the turkey can live through the season. And I think it's funny. And I like to put it out on the shelf for my neighbors to see. So anyway, thanks for dropping by. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.